everybody. It is Thursday, June the 18th. Beautiful day here, kind of warm. It's in the mid 80s. I'll tell you what, I did not sleep very well at all last night. I have not synced my Fitbit yet, but to see how well I slept. But I gotta tell you, at 4:30 this morning, I was still awake, and I was tired. I wanted to sleep. Seems like last night one train after another was going through, and every little noise was waking me up. So I didn't get up until 11 o'clock. I got up to go to the bathroom about 7 o'clock, and I thought, oh, I'm going to lay down for another hour, and the next thing I knew it was 8 o'clock. So at least I got that much sleep. But when I get up that late, it kind of puts my whole day off kilter. I didn't eat breakfast till after 1 o'clock this afternoon. So, and then also during the night, I was hungry. My stomach was growling, and I thought, well, I'm not getting up to eat. I just want to go to sleep. So I don't know what that was all about, because I haven't been like that in a long, long time. Anyway, I'm just out and about doing some errands. I'm going to stop at the place down the street to see if I can pick up some honey. Maybe. We'll see. And just running a few errands. I forgot to get garbage bags at the store the other day, so I need some trash bags. And I really want to go back and sit in my sewing machine and just spend the rest of the day back there after I get home. So we'll see if that actually happens. I'm totally unmotivated to do any cleaning or anything right now. And I don't know why. I think it's because I have all the time in the world to do it, and I'm thinking, yeah, I can do that tomorrow. Like, I've already put off my laundry till tomorrow. I was going to do it Monday. So, but I need to do it tomorrow, because Saturday I have a graduation party to go to, and I have a nail appointment on Saturday. So I'm going to be busy on Saturday. Well, the good news is my scale was down again this morning. I hope this trend continues to my weigh-in tomorrow. So 92.3 as of this morning, total loss. Which means I've got 7.7 to get to that 100-pound mark. So, Sandy, I don't know where you are right now as far as total pounds lost, but, come on, let's do this. So, anyway, I'm feeling highly motivated on the Weight Watcher journey right now. And I don't know, I was in a slump for 6 months. Where I didn't really care. And I pulled out some old recipes. Maybe that's gotten me a little bit more excited, because today I'm having all new recipes. Although, since I didn't eat lunch, or didn't eat breakfast till it was past lunchtime, I'm really not having lunch. I brought an apple with me while I'm out and about. So, the apple is my lunch. I'm not going to need another meal. And it was a high point breakfast. It was 14 points for breakfast. So it's not like I'm starving myself, because I'm not. But I had something tracked for lunch. I'll have to go and update that. I'll just move that to tomorrow. Maybe I'll see what I can pull out for breakfast and dinner tomorrow. I have it written down in my menu planner. I just don't remember. Pretty much all new recipes I'm trying the next couple days. So what I had for breakfast, if you saw my Facebook post, I had whole wheat pumpkin pecan pancakes. And the recipe made 8 pancakes. One serving is 2 pancakes, but they're big. So I made all 8, and then I have the other 6 freezing right now in the freezer, and then I'm going to bag them up, in packages of 2. So I can have that for breakfast. I don't have to take the time to cook. I just warm it up in the microwave. So, but 2 pancakes is 7 points. So, it was time consuming, and it had a lot of ingredients to it, but very, very good. big hearty breakfast I had this morning. And then I'm making a turkey Bolognese. Is that how you say it? For dinner, the sauce that I'm going to serve over zoodles. So I'm going to get my spiralizer attachment out, and you know, one zucchini spiralized gives you a whole lot of zoodles. And then I'm just going to steam those in a pan, and serve my sauce over top of that, and that's going to be my dinner. I forget how many points that sauce is. I think it's 3. So I'll have room in my menu for a snack if I want, but I have some sugar-free popsicles at home, which kind of get me through that snack thing. So, which was a good investment because I ate some yesterday. And so I think I've got a good plan. And, you know, planning is everything. I think planning helps change your mindset. So if you take the time to plan, you know what they say, a plan not written down is just a wish. So I have everything written down, and I pulled out the recipes that I'm going to be using. I have it in a book. Now the recipe that I used this morning, I'm pretty sure it's a Skinny Taste recipe, and I tweaked it to fit into my points, because without tweaking it, it was a whole lot more points. The recipe called for buttermilk. I used low-fat buttermilk. It called for pure maple syrup. I used sugar-free maple syrup. So, you know, I saved points that way. And called for eggs. I used egg whites. So, you know, there's different ways. You look at some of those recipes and you can tweak it to fit your food budget, your, you know, point budget, which is what I did. And then the same with the Bolognese sauce that I'm making for tonight calls for ground beef. I'm using ground turkey, which saves me, and that's the only thing in the sauce that has points, unless it has some oil in it. I don't think it does, but I'm using 99% lean ground beef or ground turkey. So yeah, there's ways to, even on the Skinny Taste recipes, you can tweak them. Now, after you watch my food video, you know, my food vlog that I have attached here, let me know if you want the pancake recipe or the Bolognese recipe. I'll be happy to send it to you. But I can't take credit for the recipes. I just want to say that right now. They're not my recipes. It's my tweaking, but not the recipe. I'm pretty sure I got all these recipes off of skinnytaste.com. So that was pretty much, because I compiled this notebook when I was in Idaho last year, and that's pretty much where I was getting all my recipes from. So they're getting these foundations poured. I wanted to drive to the cemetery, see if they've blocked out anything over at the grave site yet. Since I've got things all paid for. It doesn't look like they've gotten over here yet. So, but they said it would be probably the first couple weeks of July that they do it. I see they've got some of the other pours done, but those were the spring pours. They only pour the foundations 3 times a year. And at first they were going to try to push me to fall, and I said, no, I want these in. So anyway, they haven't blocked it out yet. Or they haven't framed it out, I should say, yet. But it'll get done soon. But some of these sites have flowers planted all around them. I think I might do that after things are in. So, okay, well, that's all I really wanted to see over here. Sometimes I just drive through and say, hi, how you guys doing? Because I know how they're doing. They're not here. You know, I don't always get out and stop. So mostly now I'm just coming over here and checking things out just to see if there's been any progress. They're not going to tell me when the foundations are poured. They're going to let the guy that's setting the stones know. So, well, anyway, like I said, I'm kind of excited about the Weight Watchers thing again. I'm glad that I seem to have my motivation back a little bit. How easy that your motivation can go away. I gotta tell you, I have been in a big slump. I was looking at my weight loss chart today. I've been in a slump since October. That's a long time. October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. 8 months. I've lost weight during that time, but I think I've gained as much as I've lost because my weight has not really changed a whole lot since October. And I remember from a year ago when I was in South Carolina, I had really started to lose weight, when I was doing all that camping and when I was down at my brother's. One of the reasons I was losing weight when I was at my brother's because I was cooking some stuff, that was on the Weight Watcher plan. So, anyway, I feel like I've at least got a sense of control of things again. And since I started pulling out these recipes, I've kind of been excited about my menu planning again. I'm thinking, why haven't I done this? I know why I haven't, because I've just been too darn lazy. Thinking, oh, that looks like too much work. And so I've been taking the easy way out, and the easy way out has gotten boring. So, anyway, I'll show you my food for the day. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like any of those recipes. Or I'm sure you can find them at skinnytaste.com. I'm sure that's where I got them. So, like I said, I pulled them off maybe a year and a half ago, because I was up in Idaho when I was doing that notebook. And I have a whole slug of recipes that I get an email from them, from Skinny Taste, and see something that piques my interest, so I write down the recipe. And I remember writing them down when I was up there because I didn't have access to a printer where I could just print off the PDF. So, anyway, I've rambled on for 12 minutes. Let me show you my food, and then I'll be back to wrap things up. Okay, I'm having a very late breakfast. This really is brunch. I mean, it's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I've got 2 eggs for 4 points. I have 2 slices of Canadian bacon. That is 1, so that takes me up to 5 points. I made pumpkin pecan whole wheat pancakes for breakfast. This is 7 points. So that takes me to 12. My syrup is 0. I just have butter spray on my pancakes. My berries are 0 and my banana is 0. And then I have 2 points in my coffee. So that takes me to 14 points for my breakfast, which is probably going to be breakfast and lunch since it's so late in the day. And I just see a cardinal outside my window. So maybe my husband and my son are watching me. So happy day, everybody. This is a 14-point breakfast, and I can't wait to dig into this. This is one of my new recipes. This is my dinner tonight. I made a turkey Bolognese, just out of what I had here. And I served it over zoodles. The Bolognese sauce is 2 points. 3 points for my Parmesan cheese and 0 points for the zoodles. So it's a 5-point dinner. Oh, this smells so good. Okay, my day ended up being only 2 meals today because I ate breakfast so darn late. I looked at my watch when I was eating, or my Fitbit. It was 1:15 when I was eating breakfast, and I had a huge 13-point breakfast. I thought it was 14 points, but I didn't drink all that coffee, so I only counted 2 points for my coffee this morning instead of 4. No, I counted 1 point instead of 2. Yeah, anyway, I had to add some snacks tonight to even get my blue dot. This is a sugar-free popsicle. So, but I had an awesome day on plan. I had 2 really good meals, new recipes that I definitely going to make again. I'll tell you what, that Bolognese sauce that I made for my dinner, oh my gosh, it was so good. So good. And it was like, the sauce itself was only like 2 points for the entire thing. And the zoodles were nothing. And then I added the Parmesan cheese, and I had 2 helpings of it, so I ate the whole thing. So that's why it was the 5 points. 2 points for the whole thing of Bolognese sauce, and then 3 points for 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. But, I mean, it was really good food. Now I'm kind of excited about some of the other things I got coming up here. Tomorrow I'm making more new recipes. I'm doing, in the morning, a breakfast burrito bowl with spiced pumpkin. And then my dinner, or my lunch, this is if I eat lunch, is a cilantro chicken salad. And I think what I'm going to do is, if I eat breakfast late again tomorrow, I'll have that cilantro chicken salad for dinner. Tomorrow night for dinner, I was just going to do a grilled chicken breast. So, but I can do the chicken cilantro salad on on top of a bed of lettuce. So, yeah, I'm going to start some yogurt tonight because I'm out of yogurt. So I'm going to start that and let it cook all night long. And I know I have yogurt on the menu for Saturday morning. I'm having a light breakfast Saturday morning because I'm going to a graduation party, and I know I'm going to eat there. But I'm really enjoying these new recipes so far. My scale is down today. I don't know if I told you this today or not. It was 185.5 this morning, so that takes me to 92.3. I weigh in tomorrow. So we'll see if I come down any lower for my weigh-in tomorrow. I mean, we'll just see. All I know is I'm doing what I need to do on my end. So, all right, well, that's going to wrap it up for me today. You guys have a great night. I hope you enjoyed the food I showed you. I posted pictures of it also on my Facebook page and on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, it's Sue Slims Down with WW. I think. It's either just Sue Slims Down or Sue Slims Down with WW. One of those two. So go on over and follow me on Instagram too. And my Facebook page is Sue Slims Down with WW. If you haven't already liked that page, please do. And also, please like, subscribe, and share this video. I really, really am trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers this year. So thank you so much. And I will see you tomorrow with another daily What I Ate. Bye-bye.